Alright guys, Cadillac sts. This is a V6 3.6 liter engine, and this is a 2007 model. The AC did not work on this car, guys, and this is one of my good customers. He went to a shop nearby his house, and the guy recommended on my AC compressor, which is located all the way down there. Let me see if I can get it from this angle. Right here. See, that's the AC compressor right there, guys. And the job there was, he told him almost $900. But he came to me and I already fixed his car, guys. It was a simple problem. You know, whenever I get a car, I go straight to the fuses first, alright? Before you do anything, guys, go straight to the fuse, alright? How do you know that compressor is bad? Did you do a pressure test on the AC Freon? Did you test like the back probe, the connector in the back to see? It's hard to get to, you know, you gotta find the harnesses from up above if it's going from top to above, you know. Anyways, told him to come to me and I'll take care of it, you know. Let me see what it is. If it's a bad AC compressor, we'll change the AC compressor, right? But anyways, let me set up my camera right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I did, all right? Right here, you're on the passenger side of the car, right? Driver side would be that. This right here, cover right here, you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver or something similar to that. You're gonna remove both of these clips right here, guys. These are two clips. And you put your tool away and the clips. You're gonna grab this simply from wherever you like and lift it up, right? Very simple, guys. All right. Now we have access to this fuse box right here. All the cars, guys, every car has a fuse for everything, all right? And right here, I think he went through the fuse box also. You see that? There's no screw there, so I'll find something for this customer. I'll put something there. He's a good friend of mine, customer and a friend. He was a customer and we're like friends, you know. And all of my customers are like friends to me. They trust me, they come to me. All right, anyways, you're gonna see a lot of these little locking signs right here. It says arrow and a lock, arrow and a lock, arrow and a lock. So there's three of them. So what you do is you push in on these three one by one. You can do, all right, I'll do this one first, and then I'll do this one right here, and then you have this one left, and you should be able to lift up this lid. All right, let me not put the lid away. All right, guys, right inside here, you're gonna see a diagram that looks something. You see how I'm holding it? If you hold it just like that, you look at it from the front, every single fuse that you see the diagram here is in order, right? So you see there's a fuse here, there's a fuse here, there's a fuse there, 50 amp, 30 amp, 50 amp, 30 amp. All right, so right up above it, it says COMP clutch. That means compressor clutch, all right? That's for the AC. It does not say AC here. You will not find the AC fuse here, but you will find the AC fuse that would take compressor clutch, all right? So simply, guys, first thing, you could take a test light, and this is the fuse we're looking at, right? Above these two, all right? And this right here, this little guy right here is a fuse puller, right? So all you do is yank that out of there. The fat side would be for the big fuse. The little side will be for the little fuse. So all you do simply is you click this little guy in, squeeze it in, and then you're gonna hold it and you're gonna pull it. It didn't work. Let me try one more time. And you can pull it out and you can look at the fuse from the inside, all right? Let me show you one trick to you guys. So all you do is you hold this up against the light. You're not gonna see it. You're gonna see the little flare inside. If that flare is good, your fuse is good, all right, guys? So simply, this customer did not need an AC compressor. I called them up and I charged them $90 for my search around, you know. I spent a good hour on this car, but I saved him a lot of money. He's happy, all right? Sometimes this fuse will overheat over time, you know. If the circuit is taking too much load, if you're using your AC fuse constantly, meaning it's a hot summer day and you have the car running all day long, Not a lot of people run their car all day long. Let's say you want to go to California from East Coast to West Coast and it's a hot day. You are going to run it, all right? You might blow the fuse. But this customer right here, he just bought the car and the fuse was probably already bad. It seems like this car was used for taxi or limousine. Anyways, those guys use the AC all day long. But guys, that's it guys. Check your fuse first thing, alright? And this thing has fuses for everything. I can name you a lot of things over here. It has fuse for a MAF sensor, MAF, mass airflow sensor, right? They got fuses over here for right side low beam, left side low beam, left side high beam, right? Then you have spare fuse right here, just spare fuse. And if you come across a lot of things such as a starting problem, there's a starter fuse right here, this 10 amp right here, all right? And ECM, and it's got relay for blower motor here, all right? Blower fuse right here, relay fuse, all right? And I believe these are the rear, something with the rear. You have to look into that. High fan, low fan, they got relays for everything, all right? Horn relay you have here, parking lamp relay micro, all right? Horn fuse right here, all right? So it has fuses for everything, guys. If you ever need a problem, have any issues, look in here, guys, all right? So thank you, subscribe, bye-bye, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you have an AC problem, doesn't have to be the Cadillac, it could be Honda Civic, Toyota Camry, could be any car, guys. Just check your fuse. I cannot urge you so much. Check your fuse. Number one thing, guys. Check your fuse, all right? I know this video is long enough. I don't mind you guys skipping forward, but thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free, so subscribe to my channel. You can always send me a message about anything, any problem you have. Send me a message. You can send me a message on my AC video if you have a heating problem. You can send me a message on my how to change a belt if you have a starting problem. You can send me a message on how to do an oil change on a Honda Civic if you have a problem with on a BMW with the starting problem, right? I don't mind helping you. At least I'll give you an idea or estimate if I can't help you, you know. And I might be able to look up some diagram or tell you what to check first, all right? And all right, guys. So bye bye.